Good evening, everybody. Allison Rauch, Public Information Coordinator with Greer CPW, here to provide you an evening update as we continue to restore service to our customers. As of this video, we have approximately 891 customers left to restore. We are under 1,000 customers. We are thrilled as we continue to make that number tick down. So 891 customers left to restore service to. Want to let you know where our current efforts are going to be focused. Taylor Road, we're working in that area. We have most customers up, just working on a few single service issues there. The Mount Vernon Road area, same thing, working on some single service issues. Upcoming and where we're going to be focusing our efforts, Ruth L. Weaver Community, Vantaventer Drive, Arch Drive, Roselight Circle, Maple Hill, Kalina Heights, Palmetto Estate, Arlington Heights, Wright Drive, and the E.A. Wood community. So all of those, we're going to be focusing our efforts on those streets and communities that I just mentioned. Today, we accomplished a lot. We were able to restore the Crestview Hills area, Greer Mill area, Sunnyside area, Coggin Drive, Tiger Woods subdivision, Fairway Estates, and Starcrest area. All of these areas we were able to restore today, minus some single service issues, and you will hear me say that term a lot. That is what we're going to be focusing on over the next few days, our single service issues that only have 2 to 3 customers on a street. That is what we are going to be focusing on. Please be patient with us. This work is now our nitty-gritty work. It could take 30 minutes or 3 hours at one of these homes while we restore service. It just depends on the severity of the problem that caused the outage out that way. So again, 891 customers left to restore. We continue to make progress every day. Thanks for your patience and your support, and I'll provide more details when I can. Thank you all.